I came across a quote on social media that really changed my outlook on setting goals and resolutions. The quote said, "Every year we make a resolution to change ourselves. This year, what if we made a resolution to be ourselves?" I'm Monica Johnson, a Montessorian art life coach, teacher educator, and adjunct professor at Sarasota University. I am super passionate about helping other professionals find creative tools that support growth and balance, even in the midst of unpredictability. I think about how many times I've set goals or resolutions, and then conveniently life has happened and has caused me to change some of those goals, to walk a new path. And rather than feeling like my goals and plans have been altered and for the worse, I just decided that I was going to embrace it. So I came up with this idea of vision boards in progress, and it's a year-long strategy for busy professionals. And what makes vision boards in progress different than other vision board sessions or make and takes is that you will not walk away with your actual vision board after the hour we spend together. You will walk away thinking about your strengths, your values, professional development goals, and maybe some requirements for your job, because we all know that true goal setting and true professional development is a blend of all of those things. In my upcoming session, you will learn simple but powerful framework for vision boarding in your busy lifestyle, no matter how packed your schedule is and no matter what life throws your way. You'll discover how to refine your goals and keep them aligned with your priorities, and walk away with some strategies and inspiration. If this resonates with you, I invite you to join me at Sarasota University's free Montessori Colloquium on January 21st at 7 p.m. Click the link below to register, and I will see you there.